Well, hey folks, good evening and welcome to this month's edition of the Service Sanitation Fist Bump live stream. My name is Stevie D. I'm the Director of Marketing here, and we're excited to have you join us for this month's live stream. What this is every month we get together as an organization and celebrate all the exciting things that have been happening around here inside the organization. And of course, this Fist Bump program is something internally for all of our employees. And how this works is every month our employees get a game card with some engagement opportunities, some training modules, and just all some unique ways to make a difference with the work that they're doing day in and day out. And of course, at the end of the month, we tally up all of those points and we put them onto a game wheel. And that's why we're here tonight, is to give away some pretty sweet prizes. So without further ado, before we jump into the game wheel, one of the things we like to do on our live stream is just kind of read some of the feedback that comes in every single month. This month, we had a lot of it. There's so much to go over, but we always try to just pick out 3 just for the sake of time to kind of go through. So we'll kind of read our first feedback here today. Comes in from Maurice Edwards, one of our newer drivers here at the Gary branch. Feedback comes in from there was a balloon launch, and we had the portable restrooms out there. They said the delivery person was very helpful. Maurice took the time and showed them how to use the selected items that they were rented, and everything worked out really well. So Maurice, fist bumps for you, unlocking the customer service feedback badge. Next one's coming in for John Mundell. This came in from an event in Chicago. They just wanted to say the units were clean and the delivery was on time, and they just appreciate you, John, and all the work that you've been doing around here. Last one we've got is for Victor Davenport. They said, please tell your driver thank you for delivering yesterday at Barron's Park. The driver called them and said everything up great, and that customer really appreciated it. I wish I knew the exact total of how much feedback came in this month, but there was coming in through phone calls. We had a ton of emails, and for any of our customers that are watching this, we appreciate you guys taking the time to share that with us. We do like to share that with our drivers via text message and email. And of course, if you get an opportunity to put a couple of smashes on those Google like pages and review pages, really appreciate that. So with that being said, we took all of our points in feedback badge, was just one of those among many, and we put them all onto our game wheel here tonight. And as you can see, there are a lot of slices in the pie, and the bigger the slice, the more points that employee was able to rack up during the month of August, and the more chances, the better chances they have at winning our prizes. And so with that being said, the first prize that we have on deck here tonight is actually one of these cool muscle massaging guns. I actually had the opportunity to use one of these things this past weekend. It is freaking awesome. So if you're someone that's feeling a little bit sore in the muscles, you can dial it in exactly where you need to put that pressure, and hopefully it provides a little bit of relief. All right, taking home our muscle massage gun for the month of August is going to be Mr. Juan Ayala. Juan, hey, congratulations, brother. We'll go ahead and box that baby up and make sure it gets out to you. Actually, I think Juan was just moved from the yard into the driver position, so congratulations, Juan, for making that big leap here. All right, next up on deck, we have one of these really cool utility. It's a survival kit. So I guess if you ever get stuck and you're trapped, you can't get out of a hole, and this should give you everything you need to steer you home and build a fire and do all the fun things along the way. So taking home our survival kit is going to be DeMarcus Campbell. Give it up for DeMarcus. Congratulations, DeMarcus. Next prize we have to give away. Hey, these are freaking cool, especially if your phone is like mine and it seems like it's end of life on the battery. It's one of those portable recharging kits. You can recharge all kinds of different things, your iPads, your iPhones, and do them all at once. So taking home our chargers for this month is going to be Mr. Thomas Hoffman. Give it up for Thomas down at, I believe, our Indianapolis branch for Thomas here. So we'll go ahead and ship that down to you here. And the last prize we have to give away is a little bit smaller, but you know, still packs a little bit of a punch here. These Gatorade Zero Fizz Stick things. Pop them in your water bottle, give you a little extra boost of hydration throughout the day. Taking home that prize is going to be Mr. Demont Steele. Demont Steele. Congratulations, Demont. We'll make sure we go ahead and get those all packaged up and sent to you out there on the PM shift of things. And that is all the prizes that we have for our labor pool. So let's go ahead and switch out the game wheel for the office pool. Different game wheel, different point system, and again, same prizes here. So taking home our muscle massage gun for the month of August out of the office pool is going to be Dana Orkis, our dispatch manager. Give it up for Dana. Congratulations, Dana, taking home the muscle massage gun. Next up on deck for our survival kit is going to be Mr. Dan Crawley, one of our driver supervisors here. Hey, Dan, you might actually be able to put that thing to use. Keep that on you while you're in the field solving all those crazy problems we have out there. Next prize we have is the portable charging station. All right, taking home the portable charger for the month of August is going to be Mr. Michael Mendez. Hey, Michael, if you guys don't know Michael, he's actually in the back here at Gary. He's one of our parts coordinators over here helping Kevin and all of our fleet folks. You don't get to see him often, but Michael, we know you're back there. We appreciate all the hard work you've done in keeping that place clean and organized, and hopefully you can enjoy that portable charger as well. Last prize we have to get away is the Gatorade Zero Packs, and that is going out to Mr. Zach Kidd, our onboarding coordinator. Congratulations, Zach. Hey, I think that might be the first time Zach actually won anything. So congrats, Zach. Again, we appreciate all the hard work everyone has been putting in here during this month. We've got a few more weeks left of the intense, crazy event season. We're going to finish strong here, coming into the Chicago Marathon and all the fun stuff that happens here, the hot chocolates and all that fun stuff coming into September and October. So keep it up. We're almost to the end. We appreciate all the hard work everybody's been putting in during the week, on the weekends, the late hours, and we're excited for a little bit of a breather here in the next couple weeks. So hang in there. God bless you. Godspeed. We'll see you guys next month. Take care now.